Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about how we can analyze information in different languages in Notebook LM. In the last videos, we have used articles, videos, and other details to read information or analyze information in English using Notebook LM. In this video, I will show you how we can analyze information in different language. It could be German, it could be French, it could be Italian, it could be Hindi, it could be any other language. So what you have to do is on the top right hand side of the screen, you see settings here. You see settings here. Go to settings and here you see output language. Click on output language. Once you click on output language, you see choose your language override. So by default we have English here. By default we have English. All you need to do is click on drop down box and you see all the languages here. Afrikaans, Azerbaijan, uh, Dansk, Dutch, Espanol, English. You see all languages, Filipino, Indonesia, Java, Latin. So you see all kinds of languages here. All you need, Polski means Polish, I guess, Portuguese. So all you need to do is you need to select the language that you would like to read the information. Okay, so you can also look for Hindi and other languages as well. You see Nepali, you see Marathi, Konkani, you see Hindi. So you have all regional languages as well. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Deutsch. Okay, I'm going to select German language to read the details. So I'm going to select Deutsch and I'm going to click save. Now let us test it. Let us test it. I'm going to click on create new notebook here. Okay. Now I'm going to this article. I'm going to this article here. So let's say this is the article when the 80/20 rule fails, the downside of being effective. I'm going to click on it. Now this article is in English language. Now you want to translate this into German to read this article. So all you need to do is copy this link, go back to Notebook LM. You see an option called website here. Click on it and you need to simply paste the link of that particular blog or website, and I'm going to click on insert. Now let's see how it goes. If you see now, it is already analyzing the information. So it has analyzed the information. If you see now, all the details are in German language. This is not in English anymore. So the beauty of Notebook LM is if you want to read the information in different language, maybe you are not comfortable with English, maybe you speak a different language. In this case, you can also customize Notebook LM to select a different language and you can read all the details in English, and you can also type in that language to ask questions. So I don't know what does it mean, but I'm going to select this and I'm going to hit enter. Now it is going to give all the details in German. See, it is giving all the details in German. So if you know this language, you can start asking questions in that particular language and it is going to give all the details regarding this particular article. Now, here comes the best part. You see an option called deep dive conversation here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate. So what happens is it is going to generate an audio file for this particular article. Now the best part is this is going to be in German now. So it is not only about reading the information in German, you can also listen to the audio file. You can also listen to this podcast in German. This sounds really, really nice. So if you are someone who likes to listen to audiobooks, then this is going to help you a lot. So this is going to take a minute or two. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. So if you are doing some assignments, if you are doing some research work, or you are learning some new details, then this is going to help you a lot. Maybe you are learning a new language. Maybe you are learning French or German or Spanish or any other language. Now what happens is you are not only reading from the text, learning from the text, you are also listening to the audio. So this makes a lot of difference in learning things effectively. Okay, if you see now, the audio file or the podcast is ready. Now I'm going to play this file. Let's listen how the language will sound like.
Willkommen zu unserer heutigen Vertiefung. Wir schauen uns heute mal an, wann dieses Streben nach Effektivität, Sie wissen schon, uns vielleicht, auf den falschen Weg bringt.
Genau, basierend auf einem Artikel von James Clear. Der hinterfragt ja die Grenzen dieser bekannten 80-20-Regel.
Richtig. Und unsere Frage ist, warum ist es manchmal vielleicht nicht das Klügste, sich nur auf das zu konzentrieren, was gerade am besten läuft? Wir starten mit einer Geschichte, die mich echt überrascht hat. Audrey Hepburn, Filmikone, klar, aber mit einem...
Alright guys, I just played the audio file and this sounds absolutely amazing. This is the best tool that I have come across in this year. So if you are someone who likes to read articles or analyze information through videos or anything, this tool is going to help you a lot, especially if you want to learn in different languages. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.